Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. For today's video, I'll be making a holiday shirt using metallic pearlescent vinyl. This is one of my favorite HTV vinyl collections. These are available in 12 by 5 and 12 by 82 feet rolls. This collection consists of 14 colors, and they are matte metallic colors. For today's shirt, I'll be using this beautiful golden acorn and this light teal. All the colors in this collection are so beautiful. One of my favorite things about working with this collection is easy cutting and weeding, flexible and easy to work with, thin and stretchable, and quick transfer. Let's head to Design Space and grab our image. Click on View All, and I'll be scrolling down till I find the image. Once I have it, I'll click on the green plus sign, click on View, and here we have the image. I'll go up here to Size to change the size, or you can go to the image and pull on the side or on a corner. This image is for a shirt that's XXL. So I will be making my design 9.5 to 10 inches big. Before clicking on Make, I'll head to Ungroup, and I will click on there so that I can ungroup this image. This way I can attach it by color groups, and it's easier when layering the design. So I'll move this over, and then I'll click on here, and then click on Attach. As for the stars, I will not be attaching those, otherwise it will take up more vinyl. Once I'm done layering the trees, I can come back to the stars and put them where they belong. And now click on Make. Save it as a project if you like. I won't be saving it. Choose to work on a mat, 12 by 12, and then just click on Confirm. And here we have it. We have two mats, so we need two different color vinyls. And here I'm just moving my stars just to make a little bit of space in between each one. Once you're layering your design, if you forgot where you should put your stars, just look at the computer on Design Space and you'll see how the design should be layered. And lastly, click on Continue. Before putting our design to cut, let's cut our vinyl to size. This way we're not wasting any vinyl. I'll be using this cutter. So here I'm just taking the tape off and pulling my vinyl through the cutter. I normally like to cut a little bit extra, and I'm just making sure that this is the amount I need, and then cut. Place the tape back on it, and then I'll store it away. So here's one. Now let's go to the next one. And for this one, I actually didn't have to cut any vinyl. I had a small piece left over from a prior project. And now it's time to place the vinyl on the mat. I'll be using this purple TeckWrap mat. On the mat, I'll be placing the shiny side down. To cut my material, I'll be selecting Everyday Iron-On. This will turn on the feature of mirror. I will also select Remember Material Setting. This way I don't have to go back to Design Space to select a material setting for the next vinyl. In this case, both vinyls are the same material type. Here I'm all done cutting the vinyl, so now it's time to start doing the weeding. I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen. I just love using this. If you've never used a weeding pin pen, it's very easy to use. Start by poking on a corner and pulling the vinyl upwards or a little bit to the side. When pulling, be very careful not to rip your vinyl. This vinyl is very easy to weed, So make sure to be very careful. As I mentioned, this is a metallic matte vinyl. So far, I've done a couple of shirts with this vinyl and I just love it. To weed this vinyl, I am not struggling at all. I'm just pulling normal. I am so excited to do this shirt, especially use this color. This is my favorite color. If you've ever tried this vinyl, just comment down below and let me know. Let me know if you love it as much as I do, especially this color. And all done. Now I just need to get the little pieces. This is much easier than I thought. I'm also loving this design. And all done weeding both of these. Look at this. How beautiful is this? These are the stars. So now let's get our shirt pressed. I'll be turning my heat press on. I'll be selecting 310 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Once that's ready, I'll start by pressing the shirt to remove the moisture. And just in case you wanted to know, I'm using a Walmart shirt that was on clearance for $2. So I could not pass that up. I'll be creating a guideline on my shirt. That guideline will help me when pressing my design on the shirt. It will help me center the design much better. To create the guideline, just go to the bottom of the shirt and grab both of the bottom pieces and put them together. So just like this, these two bottom corners of the shirt, put them together like this. And then all you need to do is kind of stretch this out this way and bring it up to the top of the shirt. So follow as I do it, just like this. And here we have the half of the shirt, the middle half. And now let's just press it for at least 10 seconds to remove the moisture out and to create our guideline. Once you're done doing that, you'll have this guideline in the middle of the shirt. As you can see, here is our guideline. This will make life much easier for us. Don't forget to lint roll your shirt just to get any fuzzies out. I'll be using a ruler to measure where I can place my design. If you don't have one, you can place 3 fingers on the shirt and then place the design underneath. Before I place the design, I'm going to be folding the carrier sheet just to get a guideline on there as well. This will help you when centering the design. You can align it with the guideline that's on the shirt. Trust me, this will be very helpful. Another thing you want to do is measure the sides of the shirt. You always want to make sure you have the same amount of space on each side of the shirt. If you do all of these steps, you will have a centered image. It is very important to have a nice centered image when doing shirts. Once you're sure the design is centered, you can start pressing your shirt. I'll be doing 10 seconds since I'm layering my design. When layering a design, make sure not to put too much heat to the design. Therefore, what I normally do is press my shirts at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. As you can see, I'm pulling my carrier sheet off of my design It's already pressed on my shirt. I am peeling it in warm. So far, it's looking very cute. These pine trees look beautiful in this vinyl. Lastly, what I'll be doing is cutting my stars. I'll have to just figure out where the stars go, but that's okay. I did not spend too much vinyl doing it this way. And here I'm just placing the stars where they should go. Trust me, this is very easy. And if you have any doubts, just look at the computer and follow from there. This gold color is beautiful for these stars. I'm just loving the way the shirt is looking. Can't wait to be done. I'll be placing some parchment paper over the shirt just to protect the vinyl. And pressing it now. All right, let's remove the parchment paper and look at this. This is beautiful. But we're not done yet. We still need one more press just to make sure the vinyl seals. Lastly, I'll place parchment paper over this just to protect the vinyl and press it. And all done. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful. So if you watch to the end and you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.